sir.
Yeah.
Sir, that is pound only, sir. I checked in Google. That's pound or not euro.
Yes. Okay. See. Satvik, are you there in the last before class?
Yes, sir.
Before last class.
Yes, sir.
Nikhilam started in that class only. Okay, see, till now we have covered this type of questions in Nikhilam. So what is the full name? What is the full sutra?
Nikhilam
Sutra name.
Navata Sharamam Dashatah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Nikhilam Navata Charmam Dashatah. It's a translation, meaning?
Sir, all from 9 and last from 10.
Yes, correct. All from 9 and last from 10. Where
Sir,
it is
this I know,
applicable?
sir.
Where it
In
is applicable?
starting with, so in subtraction, sorry, addition.
Which type of subtractions? General subtractions or any special subtractions?
1,000, multiple of 10.
Yeah, any number when we are subtracting from multiple of 10.
Sir, 10 to the power n.
Sorry, 10 powers or multiples also. Okay, 10 powers first. Later, their multiples also. See, any number when we are subtracting from 10 or 100 or 1000.
Completed this exercise.
Yeah, we have not completed this exercise. This is not completed. Okay, for this purpose, I am giving the concept. See,
Okay, sir.
till now we have completed this type of questions. What type of questions is questions are any number? Suppose 10,000 minus some 7,398. This type of questions are over, right? Means the number of digits in the zeros in the minuend are equal to number of digits in the subtrahend.
The last one should be subtracted by 10.
Yes, this last should be subtracted from 10, and all the remaining numbers should be subtracted from 9.
9.
Okay, 10,000 minus some 78. So in this case, what to do?
9,
By considering,
9,
by
2.
equating number of
So
zeros and number of digits.
2602.
Keeping 0.
2602.
Either we can put zeros here, or we can do in this way also. Subtract this one from 10. How much?
8,
2.
2.
Subtract this one from 9.
2.
2.
And what is the remaining number? 100. 100's predecessors?
99.
99.
99.
Okay. Next, one more type also we have covered. Some 10,000 minus 3,200. This type of questions. If the numbers ending with 0.
Then
In this
2
case-
So then we should subtract 10 by 2.
Yeah,
10
these
from-
two zeros directly we can take it into the answer. And for the remaining number, apply
this will
Nikhilam.
subtract from 10.
8,
Yeah, this one subtract from 10 and this one subtract from 9. Okay. Later we have covered this type of questions also. Some 5,000 minus 324. This type of questions. Here also number of digits equal to number of zeros. And we are leaving this one. So what is the answer for this one? Subtract this one from 10.
4, 4,
10 minus 4.
5.
6,
5.
10 minus 4.
7, 6.
5.
4,
5.
6, 7, 6.
6, 6, 6.
Okay.
4, 6,
This
7.
one from 9.
7.
7.
7. This one from 9.
6.
6.
And what is the predecessor of 5?
4.
4.
Okay. This type also already covered in the last class.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
One more type is, suppose 5,000 minus 3,248. If this is the case, same. We can apply Nikhilam Sutra up to this part. Okay. Subtract this one from 10.
2.
2. This one from 9.
5.
Sir, the answer
Five.
is
This one
7,
from
5,
9.
5, 2,
7.
1, 7, 5, 2.
What is the actual difference here?
4 minus
actually
3.
we should plan
This is
two.
the 5
Two is the
minus
difference.
Actual,
Two is the
yes,
difference.
yes. Actual difference
Two
is
is the
2.
difference.
2's predecessor is
3.
1. Predecessor before
Okay.
number.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes. 1.
Okay. So 5 minus 3 is actually 2, but predecessor is 1. That's the way.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if the question is like 10,000 minus 3,000, sir, if there is how to do, sir?
10,000 minus 3,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can take these three zeros directly and into
Yes.
the answer. Now 10 minus 3, 7.
I thought we should do by 9, sir, because it's okay, sir. Okay, understood.
Okay. All right. Next, one more thing. If fractions are given, how to deal with them? See, suppose he has given pounds, but we may consider them as rupees also, right? Like rupee, this is also one currency. Suppose
Yes,
you
sir.
have 100 rupees. Suppose you have 100 rupees. You went to a shop, you buy an item. That item prices of some 72 rupees 92 paisa. 72 rupees 92 paisa. Okay, how much you should get in return? How much you should get in return?
100 minus 72.9.
100 minus 72? No.
Sir, can we do it as 100 minus 73
It's
rupees?
minus 8.
And if we get the answer,
Yes,
we have
see. Why we are discussing this one in this Nikilam Sutra means we can apply Nikilam Sutra here also. Okay, see how to apply. Can I write 100 rupees as 100 rupee 00 paisa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we can subtract 72 rupee 92 paisa from 100 rupees. Okay, so can I take it as is it analogous to this one? 10,000
10,000
minus
minus
7,292. Both are similar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then do it normally as usually, and finally in the answer put a decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. Okay. Subtract,
27.08.
8.
27.08.
Yes, correct. 9 from 9 is 0, and 9 from 2 is 7,
7.
and 9 from 7 is 2.
Yes, sir. Correct.
From the right
I
side after 2 digits decimal point. Okay, so we can apply the same Nikilam Sutra in this type of questions also. So now we are going to do that exercise only. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Now you can
Yes.
write your names. H. Akash. Anybody have doubt?
Sir, can you explain once? Anyone?
Okay. Anyone, or I'll take another separate one.
Sir, can you once show the top one?
Okay. To select a question.
Yes.
Okay, we have up to H. You can give the names up to H. Don't write repeatedly. Just write once. Up to H. Any question is okay. So from 10, suppose if you want to subtract 3.85. From 10, we have to subtract 3.85. How to subtract? See, subtract this one from 10. Result
5.
5. This one from 9.
1.
1. And 10 minus 3 is
7.
7's predecessor.
6.
6. From right side after 2 digits, the decimal point. From right side after 2 digits, the decimal point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or we may write in this way also 10.003.85.
Sir,
Same.
if they give like 100 minus 3.85.
Okay, 100. Okay. 100 minus 3.85. 3.85. If this is the case, same apply. 10 minus 5.
97.15.
9 minus 8, 1.
1.
And 9 minus 3,
6.
6. And the remaining number is 10, right?
Predecessor.
Predecessor is 9.
9.
So from right side after 2 digits, the decimal point.
96.1.
All of you clear with this, or any doubt? You can ask. Any doubt, any type of doubt.
Sir.
No doubt, sir. Can you once scroll up, sir?
Okay. Yeah, I'll write the names. H. Akash.
Done, sir.
Right. Sorry. Do all the questions. All of you do all the questions first.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Make all the answers ready. Not only your question, all the questions. Don't send the answers.
Sir, actually, I was late to class. Can you explain it, sir, again?
Yeah, I'll explain again. Wait. Joya. And one more thing, you have to be on time, right?
Done.
Sir, actually, I went out, sir. I had like the link is in my mother's
Sir,
phone and
done.
my phone. Yes, I found my phone, sir.
Okay, okay. Regularly same link or different links?
Sir, same link only, sir.
Okay, then you can send it to your mobile also.
Sir, actually, we can join through WhatsApp directly.
You can join through WhatsApp also.
Sir, but
GPO.
sometimes every day they will send the link in the WhatsApp group, sir. That's why I think it's the different link and join. But today I saw they're same.
Okay.
Satvik, it's not
that
the
is-
link. It's no.
that is to remember you only.
Yes,
Reminder for you.
Satvik.
That's
Sir
a
is just
reminder.
sending a reminder that you have to join through WhatsApp, not through that link.
Through web link also
Yes.
you can join.
No,
Sir,
sir,
if
it
we
will
click
open
that
directly
link, we'll
WhatsApp,
go to
not the
WhatsApp
link.
only, sir. Sir, if we click that link, we'll go to WhatsApp only. Both
Okay.
are same.
Whatever
Yes,
it
sir.
may be,
I will
we
not
are
press the
just
link. Like there will be a ID, no, I'll press the ID.
okay. Ayush, your question is already selected for Satvik. Okay, that's all. I hope all of you ready with the answers.
Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Navya, ready?
Yes, sir.
Navya Sri. Sorry, Navya Sri, right?
Sir. Sir, first we have to do 4 minus 10, sir.
4 minus 10 or 10
Hello,
minus 10?
sir. 4 minus 10, sir.
How can you do 4 minus 10?
I mean, sorry, 10 minus 4, sir.
Okay. How much?
6, sir.
All right, next.
And then we have to do 9 minus 3, sir, which is 6.
Okay.
And then we have to do 2 minus 9, sir.
9 minus 2.
Wait, 9 minus 2, yeah,
9 minus 2. How much?
which is 7.
7. Okay.
And then since
Sir,
the
what to-
decimal points,
Then we can ignore
since the
this one,
decimal,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay, right. Put a decimal point.
Yeah, we have to put the decimal point between 6 and 7, sir.
Yeah, between 7 and 6. So from the right side after 2 digits. Because here from right side after 2 digits. Okay, Jashmita, ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, can we try this method from left to right also?
Yeah, left to right also you can try. So simple. From if you want to try from left to right, before decimal what is the number, and after decimal what is the number in both the numbers. Okay, check that one and try. Yeah, you try.
Okay, sir.
Jashmita.
10 minus 6 is 4. Predecessor of 4 is 3.
Very good.
9 minus 5 is 4.
Very good.
10 minus 1 is 9.
Okay.
And 2 points from right side.
Yeah, 2 digits after 2 digits from right side. Very good. Correct. That's all. Joya, your wish. Left to right or right to left? Joya, are you there?
Yes, sir. 9 minus 5 will be 4.
9 minus 5.
So I'm going from left to right.
Okay. Left to right you are doing and ignoring this one. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. Right. Next.
4 point. 4 point.
4 point.
9 minus 8 will be 1.
Okay.
And 10 minus 2 will be 8.
Very good. Correct. Then Srihita.
Yes, sir. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1's predecessor is 0.
Okay.
9 minus 0 is 9.
Okay.
And 10 minus 7 is 3.
Okay.
So 0.93 or 9.
Correct. Very good.
0.93.
0.93. Next, Ritvik.
Sir, the predecessor of 2 is 1.
Okay. Why predecessor? Okay. Okay. Got it.
Sir,
1.
9 minus 7 would be 2.
9 minus 7 would be 2. Okay.
9 minus 4 would be 5.
Okay.
10 minus 4 would be 6. And after the 2 digits, we have to keep a point.
Yeah. After 2 digits from right side or left side?
Sir, from right side.
So from right side, it is better. Even we can tell from left side also if we maintain zeros also. So suppose it is 0. Suppose if it is 3.6. If you place from left side, it will be 35.6, which is a wrong answer. If you maintain 0 also from left side, after 2 digits, it is okay. Right. From right side, there will be no confusion then. Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So 20.00 minus 12.78. Then we should first do 10 minus 8. The answer will be 2.
Okay.
9 minus 7. The answer will be 2.
Okay.
9 minus 2 is equal to 7.
Okay. Okay.
Again, 2 minus 1 is 1. Predecessor of 1 is 0.
Okay.
So we need to put dot from 1 after 7. We need to put dot.
Okay. Correct. 7.22. 07 or 7.22. Both are same. Pallav.
Yes, sir, same. Sir, 10 minus 8 is 2.
Okay.
9 minus 1 is 8.
Okay.
And 9 minus 3 is 6.
Okay.
Predecessor of 2 is 1.
Very
We
good.
have
Correct.
to put a point after 2 digits.
Right. So 16.82. Okay. Next, Akash.
So we can take it like 20.00 minus 08.40.
Yes.
So we can directly subtract 0 and 0, which will be 0.
Okay. Rightmost.
Now, sir, the 0 is left, so we can take it as 10. So 10 minus 4, which will be 6.
Okay.
Point. As we have taken it 10, so we have to take it line 9. So 9 minus 8 will be 1.
Okay.
Now the predecessor of 2 will be 1.
Okay. Right.
So the answer will be 11.60. We have to put the decimal point after 2 digits.
After 2 digits from right side. Okay. See. Just tell me 8.40 and 8.4. These two are same, exactly equal,
Yes,
or
sir.
any
Sir,
different?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because sir, 0 doesn't mean anything. Because if it is,
If it is after decimal.
yes, sir. Sir, if it is in front of 4, so it will be like 0.04, which means
Sir,
something
sir, we
different.
can put
Yeah. Like
sir, we can put infinity zeros after 4.
yes. Like before number, we may place any number of zeros, right? In the same way, after decimal also we can put any number of zeros.
Yes, sir, so that answer is 11.6.
11.6. Or you can solve in this way also, right? You told me like 20.00 minus 8.40, or we may take 20.0 minus 8.4. Both will be the same. Okay. Right. And this is the last exercise for Nikhilam. And we are after this, we are going to take a new concept. Right. Now you can give your names. I think 18 members, including me, 16 persons will get the chance. 16 persons. We have 16 questions here. Almost all of the persons can give the names. Try to give the names, new persons also. New persons preferably. We'll start from E. Ritvik. Rishit, the same question taken. See once again. Don't take same questions.
Sir, I'm taking A, sir.
Sir, I took A before Siddharth.
I'll take it in the order only. Just you write your name and question number. Okay, in your chat box, I'll start from E. Ritvik. D. Jasmita. K. Akash. C. Joya. P. Satvik. Rishit, take another question. A. Pallav.
So this is also the same Nicolam only, no, sir?
Yeah, Nicolam only. It's a mix
Same
of all
procedure.
models. This exercise is a mix of all models. J. Shahu. Yes, Siddharth, already Pallav is taken. Take another question.
Sir, the exercise never goes till S.
Exercise never goes.
Till S, like a little alphabets S.
Sir, his name starts with S, no, sir. That's why I'm saying that.
Sir, like if any letter comes in between, like you wrote for Akash, so like that S never comes in this exercise.
Okay. Okay. Right. Siddharth, question number, another question. Take another question. Ayush, F. Ayush. Sometimes questions will come somewhere.
Sir, even in Pallav, you can also write P. Already A is there and LLAV.
But here I have chat box in that place. That's why. F. Ayush. Rishit again
Sir,
taken
here
another
one unit
question which is already taken. B. Srihita. Siddharthian.
Sir, G is taken by nobody, no, sir.
Yeah, let's see. A. Navya, N. Navya. Okay.
Sir, G is not
N.
taken.
Siddharth already over, na? H. Rohant. Navya, take another question. N already taken by Siddharth. G. Rishit. Okay, there are many other questions. I, L, O, and one more question, M, and G also. G is already taken. I is not taken by anyone. Yeah, P. D. Jasmita. Remaining persons, take questions. Abhinav, why don't you take a question? Akash Deepa.
So there are 16 questions. In participants there are 18, sir.
Sir, I have already taken a question.
Including me, 18.
Sir, I have already taken a question.
17.
Akash is already taken. Okay, where is your question? Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Now 18 participants, including me, means 17 participants are there. 17
Yes, sir. One is extra for this exercise.
One more question extra.
Sir, few of them didn't take, sir, like I, L, O, and M.
Yes, I, L, O, and M. Anyone take questions among them? Shreyasi? Why you are
Sir,
not taking
N.
questions? Shreyasi.
Sir, I take L.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I took O, sir.
Who is taking L? Shreyasi.
No, sir, Abhinav.
Write it in the chat box because
Okay.
all the persons are not visible here. That's
Sir, it seems L Abhinav.
okay. Rohant, your question is over. Rohant, take one question. Dhatri,
Sir.
Sir, I won.
who?
Sir, I am Dhatri, sir.
Dhatri will take I.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and Navya, I took O, sir.
Okay. And one last question. M.
So means only one person can get it in this full.
Who is that person? I think this is.
So because in the meeting there are only 16 students.
Shreyas, I think. Shreyas,
No.
I think.
Shreyasi, sir.
Why one by one persons are left out?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
no
Actually, 20%
idea.
should be. Actually, 20 should be.
Actually,
Yes,
20.
sir. Yes, sir. Satvik is right. Before it was like 22 and 21. Then it reduced to 20, then it reduced to 18, now to 16.
Yes, sir. 17.
Shreyasi, just speak. If you have any problem, just type.
What problem, sir? I have no problem, sir.
Okay.
Everybody is
Because you are
naming
not
this.
unmuting. Because you are not talking, that's why you are.
Yeah. Take one question.
Sir, only one question is left. M.
That's
M.
why. That's why I'm asking. M, okay?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
or you take
Yes, sir.
that.
That's the
Yeah, if nobody nobody takes, if I'll take. Okay, right. If you are ready, we'll go to the solutions.
Yes, sir, I am ready.
All of you. What happened, Abhinav?
Sir is just clicking ha, sir. Spam.
Sir, always is just like
Yeah,
this.
it
Sir.
is. It
He'll
is
do
like
something.
it is like a laugh.
Yes, sir. He does like that. He'll do
Sir,
something.
but this was a long laugh.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
again he's doing.
Again, I think
Sir,
that
again he's doing.
H and A are continuously typing automatically.
I think some technical problem.
Sir, he's wantedly doing. Sir. He'll do like style, sir. It's style like that.
Yes, sir.
Akash, is it correct?
Like what? Sir, actually, we should not do like that, sir, in class.
Yes, sir.
Start
That is only
answering
I was
the
asking
questions
doubts.
now if you have done.
Okay. Yeah,
Sir,
wait,
tell him.
Rishit, wait.
Sir, I'm
Don't
done
write
doing
anything
it,
in the
sir.
chat box. Some more persons are typing in the same way. Why? Don't write anything in the chat box. Don't write anything. Okay. Yeah, we'll proceed with Pallav. Pallav, start your explanation.
Yes, sir. So we can take 34 as 30. Then we can 100 minus 30, it gives 70. So we should subtract 4. So 66, sir.
That's okay, but we are in Nikhilam Sutra, right? We are not in Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam. That is already over.
Okay, sir.
That is the approach in Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam.
Yes, sir. Then 10 minus 4 gives 6.
Okay.
9 minus 3 gives 6.
That's
0,
all.
sir.
Yeah, this is simple, right? So why you are typing in the chat box? Wait, don't try. Don't type anything in the chat box. Don't type. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Even yes also don't write. Okay. Srihita, I think. B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to do left to right.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1's predecessor is 0.
Okay.
And then 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9
Okay.
minus 7 is 2.
Okay.
10 minus 4 is 6.
That's all. Very good. Joya.
So I'm going from left to right.
Okay.
So we have to reduce 1 from 5, we'll get 4.
Okay.
And 9 minus 5 is 4.
Okay.
9 minus 4 is 5.
Okay.
And 10 minus 2 is 8.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 8's predecessor is 7.
Okay.
9 minus 7 is 2.
Okay.
10 minus 2 is 8.
Very good. Correct.
Sir, you
Ritvik.
wrote 7, 9, 2. It's 7, 2, 8. Sorry, you wrote 7, 9, 8. It's 7, 2, 8.
Sorry. This is 7. Okay. And this is 2. Okay. Sorry. 7 to 8. All right. Ritvik.
Sir, 10 minus 3 would be 7.
10 minus 3. Okay. Backside. Okay. Right. 10 minus 3, 7.
9 minus 3, 6.
Okay.
9 minus 0, 9.
9 minus 0. Okay. Okay. 10's predecessor 9. Or we may tell in that way also. Next. Ayush Mishra.
There I'm going from left to right.
Okay.
So 5's predecessor is 4.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 0 equal to 9.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 8 equal to 1.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 4 equal to 5.
It's 9 minus 4 or 10 minus 4?
So 10 minus 4 equal to
Yeah,
6.
last from 10. All right, very good. Rishit.
Yes, sir. 7's predecessor is 6.
Okay.
5 from 9 is 4.
Okay.
8 from 10 is 2.
That's all. Very good. Rohan.
So, sir, I'm going from left to right. 9 minus
Yeah,
1
one second, Rohan. Some more persons are leaving. Why? I don't know. I don't know why. See, we are having only this exercise based on Nikhilam. And after this, we are going to take a new concept, new and separate concept. Okay, that is an important one. Maybe some people are thinking like it is also similar to previous exercise, I think.
Sir, I think they're leaving simply and joining again.
Okay. Rohan, proceed.
Yes, sir, I'm going from left to right.
Okay.
So, we'll subtract 9 minus 2, which will be 8.
9?
Minus 1, which will be 8.
Okay, right.
Then I'll subtract again 9 minus 1, which will be 8 again.
Okay.
Then I will subtract 9 minus 8, which will be 1.
Okay.
Then I have to subtract 10 minus 6, which will be 4.
Correct. Rishit. Okay. Dhatri.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5.
9 minus 4.
Yes.
Okay. Left to right, you are proceeding and okay. From this 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. 9 minus 4 is 5.
5. 9 minus 3 is 6.
Okay.
9 minus 2 is 7.
Okay.
9 minus 1 is 9.
Again 9.
No, sir. It's 10. 10 minus 1 is 9.
Okay, okay. So you told 9 minus 1 is again 9. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Right. Okay, okay. Correct. You thought it as a 10, but you told me 9. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10 minus 4, sir, right to left.
Okay.
10 minus 4, it is 6.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 9, it is 0.
Okay.
And 2 minus 0, it is 1. And the predecessor, sorry, 2 minus 0, it is 2. And the predecessor, 1.
1, correct. That's all. Then Akash.
So I will go like right to left. So according to the rule, first we have to subtract 10 and 8, which would be 2.
Okay.
Now 9 minus 5, which would be 4.
Okay.
Now 9 minus 3, which would be 6.
Okay.
Now 9 minus 0, which would be again 9.
Okay, right. That's all.
Now, sir, this
Or
is
we
only
may
the
take
answer.
10's predecessor. Remaining number 10, 10's predecessor is 9.
9, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Next,
can you tell this again?
which one? This one?
No, sir, the 3-digit minus 2-digit one.
This one?
No, sir, the one which Shahu did.
Oh, okay. 200 minus 94. So last we have to subtract from 10. This one we have to subtract from 10. Means 6. This one we have to subtract from 9. 9 minus 9 will be 0. And actually we have to drop 2 as it is, but we have to take a predecessor of 2. 2's predecessor is 1. Got it, Abhinav?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now proceed. Your okay. Proceed.
So 10 minus 1 is 9.
Okay.
And 10 minus...
Again 10 or 9?
Okay, 9 minus 0 is 9.
1 second. Charging point. Right. 9 minus?
0 is 9.
Where is 0? See, this is your question. 400 minus 81. 10 minus 1 is?
9.
Okay, this is 9.
9 minus 8
9
is
minus
1.
8. That is 1.
1.
And actually, we have to drop 4, but we will not drop 4 as it is. We'll take its
3.
Predecessor, 3. That's the answer. 319. Clear? Clear, Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shreyasi?
My turn. 10 minus 8, 2.
Okay.
9 minus 8, 1.
Okay.
9 minus 0, 9.
Okay.
And from 7, 1 is taken over, so it would be 6.
Okay. So I told you in the last class, like 7,000 minus 88. If this is the case, simply we can do in this way. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And the remaining number is 70. Its predecessor is 69. Simple. Okay. So whatever you feel comfortable, you proceed. You proceed with that method only. Right, Siddharth.
Better only.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm going from left to right, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm right to left, sir. Right to left, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now we have to subtract 10 minus 7, we get 3.
3, okay.
9 minus 1, we get 8.
Okay.
And 9 predecessor we have to write, it is 8, sir.
That's all. Very good. Yeah, Navyasri.
Yes, sir. 10 minus 3 is 7.
Okay.
9 minus 6 is 3.
Okay.
And then the predecessor of 300 is 299.
Very good. Excellent. Correct. Okay. Now we have done many exercises on Nikhilam.
Sir, P is left, sir. Sir, mine is left P.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm Satvik. My question is left P1.
Oh, okay. One more question is there. All right, proceed. Satvik.
Sir, I'm using right to left, sir, which you taught us.
Okay.
10 minus 9 is 1.
Okay.
9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1.
Okay.
The predecessor of 90 is 89.
Very good. Correct. right? I hope all of you are perfect with this method, Nikhilam. And this is not over, and this will be helpful in some more applications also. We have some applications of this Nikhilam Sutra in multiplications and the squares also. And we are going to do multiplications and squares also. We'll use this one. Okay. Let us take one new concept. All of you, are you ready?
Sir.
All of you.
Sir, when will you teach the application for Nikhilam Sutra?
Nikhilam Sutra, this is one application in subtractions, this type of subtractions. And we have its application in one more case, in two more cases, when we are going to do multiplications. And one more thing is when we are going to do squares also. Okay, in squares and multiplications also, we use this one, Nikhilam Sutra.
Okay, sir.
All right. So if you say okay for the next
Yes,
concept.
sir, we are ready.
Ready? All of you,
Yes.
remaining.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your video is in off condition. That's why I'm asking again and again. You are there or not there? I don't know. What is there on the screen?
Balancing rule.
Balancing
rule. So, have you heard this word before?
Yes, sir, I have heard.
Yes, sir.
Is it an addition?
Sir, multiplication I have
Addition
heard with multiplication.
Is it an addition? Balancing rule?
Sir, our sir taught us with multiplication.
Okay. So actually balancing rule is not a multiplication.
I can take balancing rule.
Balancing rule is not a multiplication. Balancing rule is not an addition. Balancing rule is not a subtraction, and balancing rule is not a division also. So it is just a rule. It's a separate rule. And we have its applications in addition, subtraction, multiplications, and divisions. Okay. We have applications of balancing rule. That's all. Balancing rule is not multiplication, addition, or subtraction. So it's a separate rule. And actually, nowhere it is mentioned in the Vedic maths, the balancing rule, nowhere it is mentioned. But this has a very much, this will be very much helpful in our Vedic math. Okay. See, what is that balancing rule? See that somewhere 35 and 24. If we need to balance these two numbers, so we have to put a line like this, a vertical line, or sometimes some persons may use a slant line also, like 35 and 24. Okay. So how to do balancing is, so from
Sir,
right to left.
Something like average?
No, it is not like average, and it is already I told that point. It is not any mathematical operation. It is not any mathematical operation. It is just a separate rule. We have to learn that. Okay. See, from right to left, we have to proceed. So in every number, drop the units place, and carry forward the remaining number. Carry forward the remaining number. So we have already 35. If we add these two, it will be
37.
37. So 374. 374 is the balancing of result of balancing of 35 and 24. Got it?
Sir, where it is used, sir, this type of application?
Yes,
sir, I also had that doubt.
Okay, it is an application of Vedic only. See one more example.
Sir, can't we use it anywhere?
Yeah, we can use it anywhere. So actually, Vedic maths techniques, many people, many teachers and many students are using Vedic techniques without knowing they are Vedic techniques. Okay. Yeah, we can use in normal
Actually, I realized I knew Nikhilam Sutra, but I didn't know that was a Vedic Sutra.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling. Okay. And see, we will not use this balancing rule in our academics, right? Because it is not there in our academics. If you use this method also, that examiner or that the person who is correcting your paper will not give you marks.
To do step by step, sir.
You have to do the procedure only in our academics only. Conventional method, right? See, one more balancing method. Sorry, one more example for balancing. 27 balance with some 75. Tell the result. So from right side we have to drop
4, 5. 3, 4, 5.
drop.
Then we
3, 4,
get
5.
the answer as
3, 4, 5.
27 plus 7, it will be 34. 3, 4, 5.
Well, we can also do it like this, sir. We can drop the units place and the first digit over down, and we can multiply the middle digits. So add the middle digits.
We have to add. So if it is the case, see, some 126, we have to balance with 29. In this case, same, drop units place, 9, carry forward 2. So 126 plus 2, it will be
128.
Okay, see, when we are balancing 126 with 29, this is the result. If we balance 29 with 126, then see, we have to drop 6 units place and carry forward 12. Okay, so here we will add 12 in this way. 10s place to 10s place, 1s place to 1s.
41.
Or you may think like 29 plus
41.
416.
416.
Sir, what is it, sir? Is it the addition?
That is what I told. This is not addition. This is not subtraction, multiplication. This is not anything. We have to learn it separately. It's a separate rule.
Why,
Sir,
sir?
that
I'm not-
method where
Sir,
we
application.
Sir, for what is it helpful?
That we'll see later. Okay, first learn this one.
Sir, can I tell the best example where we use it?
We are going to see in the next exercise.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So she's saying that she will tell one where can we use. She's telling.
That is what I am telling. The same I am telling also. In the next exercise, we are going to see where we use this method. See, observe these two. 126 when we balance with 29, this is the result. Same numbers, 29 when we balance with 126, this is the result. Okay, the result is not same. Observe this. Okay, means what we have to write first, next, next. It depends on the order also. Right? In every combination, take the units place, drop units place, carry forward the remaining number. Again, drop units place, carry forward the remaining number. This is the balancing rule. All of you clear with this balancing rule?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now let us see where we use
Yes,
this
sir.
balancing rule. See. So in the previous class, we have done this type of examples. Right? There, what is our approach? Some 56 plus 67. What is our approach? 50 plus 60?
Yes, sir.
110.
Yes,
110.
sir.
6 and 7?
50 plus
13.
60, 110.
110 plus 13?
Set 13.
110 plus 13.
123. 123.
123, sir.
Yes. That is our approach in the previous class, where that is completion, by the completion or non-completion, or completing the whole. Okay. Now see the same question here using balancing rule. 56 plus 67. 56 plus 67. I'm doing addition place wise. Tens place. 5 plus 6. 11. 6 plus 7.
13.
13.
Now, if you balance these two, you'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So drop 3
And
and
11
carry
plus
forward
1.
1.
So means cross-checking
7 plus
if
1,
we are
12.
correct or no. So means we can check if our answer is correct or no.
Yeah. You may feel like that because it's a simple addition. We'll do correct only. So here method is important. Which method you are going to select?
Okay, sir.
Okay, this question in how many ways we can solve? 56 plus 67 we have done in many ways. See, to complete 60 we need 4. Take it from 67 and first complete 60 and the remaining number here. Okay, and 56 plus 67. And to complete 67 we need 3. If you take that 3 from this
Take
one,
3 from
so 70
56.
and the remaining number. So this is one approach.
50.
This is another approach. One more approach is we can split and we can merge again. 60 plus 7.
Yes, sir.
So first these two and
50
then
plus 60 is 50 plus 60 equals to 110, and then
yes,
7
one
plus 6
approach.
equal to 13.
Second approach, third approach, this is the fourth approach, and this is the fifth approach. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here, when we are adding only two numbers, number one and number two, only two numbers, number one and number
Sir,
two.
5 minutes only left, sir.
Sorry?
5 minutes only left, sir.
It's okay.
What is telling?
Sir is
Sir,
telling
5
for this class only 5 minutes are left. Only 5 minutes there is what this class is saying.
Sir, we can't complete the exercise, sir.
Okay, no issue, no problem. We have class on again day after tomorrow.
Thursday.
Continue.
Sir, after this you have class.
After this, you have class. I don't have class.
So today our class is cancelled.
Yes, sir. Today we don't have class. Monday.
Sir, but I have another class.
Okay. No issue. We'll continue again on day after tomorrow. Okay. See, when we are adding only two numbers, I'll give another method other than these. We have already how many approach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 approach, right? Other than these 5 approach, I'll give another alternative method. See, for the same question, like 56 plus 67. 56 and 67. See carefully. 5 plus 6 is how much?
11.
11.
One second. We remembered this class, first class or second? First class, I think. Combination. Yeah. Remember this one?
Yes, sir.
Or first class, I think.
Yes, sir.
What is this one?
Sir, can you say again? I was happy.
Yeah, we have 0 to 9, 10 digits, sir. And
Yes, sir.
2
These are
digit
the-
combinations.
these
How
are
many
the
2 digit combinations?
The 100.
100 combinations. Out of 100 combinations, only 36 combination will end with a carry. Okay, and all the remaining green color combinations are maximum sum up to maximum 10. Okay, other than green color numbers, remaining will be double digit numbers. So double digit numbers, will call them as a carry numbers. Okay, and after this we have seen this one also. See the end number concept. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, here 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, actually the number is
15.
Tell me, 15. But we'll concentrate on only end number, that is 5. So tell me the end number for this. All of you. 5. This one?
So 1.
1. This one?
This one, 3.
3. Compulsory, you have to practice them. Okay, immediate after observing, immediate after seeing, you have to tell that one. Next is?
So
1. Next.
2.
Next.
2.
1.
1. Next.
1.
1.
2.
Next.
1.
2.
2. 3. See carefully. Next is?
6.
6.
Next is?
5.
5.
Okay. After this exercise, we have seen one more thing also. There are some numbers ending with if the numbers are combining with 9, if any number is combining with 9, suppose if it is 9 plus 6, its end digits will be 5. 6 predecessor. Suppose if it is 9 plus 9, end number?
8.
9 plus 7.
18.
6.
9 plus 4.
3.
3. Okay. Remember this? So we are going to use this concept here now. One second. Here. See. Actually, 5 plus 6 is how much?
11.
11. Now see, while writing 11, now see the next place is a carry combination or a non-carry combination?
Carry.
Yeah, if it is carry combination, then increase 1, 11 become 12. Okay, 6 and 7, what is the end number?
13. 3.
No, end number 3. That's
Three.
the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Nice.
I'll give you one more example. See, some 97 plus 53. Tell me. 9 plus 5 is
14.
14.
But
So
next
the
one,
it is carry, so it's like 15.
carry combination,
It's like
that's why
15.
15.
Sir, time up.
One
The
five
end
zero.
number is
0.
150.
somebody are concentrating on time, not
Yes, sir,
concentrating on the
Rishit.
concept. Rishit,
Sir, I'm concentrating on class also, sir. You can ask me anything, sir. I'll tell, sir.
Then why in middle of a question you're saying time?
oh, okay.
Time up. I am
All of you mute yourself. Only Rishit, unmute
Yes, sir.
condition. See, 784 and 968.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The method just now I told. Explain in that way.
Okay, sir. The end digit of 4 plus 8 is 12, sir.
No. Left to right. Right, not left. Right to left. Left to right. 7 plus 9.
7 plus 9,
16.
Wait. Remaining persons.
1, 6.
Yeah, 1, 6, 16. Can I write 16 here?
Sir, carry borrow 17, sir.
So 17. Okay. Next here.
Sir, 8 plus 6 and end digit 4, sir.
Very good.
5, sir. 5, sir. Carry borrow, sir. 5.
Okay, very good. Next.
Then end digit of this thing is 2, sir.
That's all. That is the answer. Okay.
Sir, I concentrate on the class. I concentrate on the class, sir.
Okay. We'll do this exercise.
Okay, sir.
Shall we?
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir.
we'll take it in the next class if you have any problem.
Sir, we will do, sir.
Okay, right. Proceed. Give your names.
Sir, you can see the chat box.
Okay. I'm seeing.
Already names are there.
Okay.
Sir, by mistake, I didn't give space between H and my name, sir. It will come as Rishit, sir.
Akash, you wrote name.
Then again, write again. B Akash.
Sir, I'm doing the C, sir.
C. No, E Ritvik. D Satvik.
Sir, she is doing C, not A.
Who? Shreyas is C.
So C. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
First time, I guess sir is using the eraser.
Okay, Shreyas.
No, sir, in the starting of the class also you used.
Oh, maybe I didn't notice.
Sir, can I take G?
Rishit, your question is H.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I take G?
If nobody takes, you can take.
Sir, actually, just
Write in the chat box first. Sir will see.
Sir, just took it first, sir.
H Rishit, D Jashmita, G already over. Sorry.
Sir,
D
F me.
D,
Sir,
D,
Sir, G Abhinav.
C already over.
Sir, F Shrihita. I typed in the
Sir,
chat.
G is Abhinav.
Sir, G, I said first.
Srihita already B over. Na Akash is taking.
Sir, I type F.
F Srihita. Okay.
Sir, what about G?
Sir, G Jasmita said writing.
G
Yes, sir,
Jasmita.
G, I said
Sir,
first.
no one takes A, but A is the first.
A is already done.
Already done. Okay.
Yes, sir. You will
Sorry.
Sir, you took example as 56 plus
So
6.
it's okay. They can say
Okay
it
then.
again.
Proceed with your solutions. We'll start with Akash.
Sir, 8 plus 3, which is 11.
Okay.
So we will take it as borrow, which will be 12.
Borrow, no carry. No borrow, no carry. Don't use those words. Because,
Okay, sir.
okay. Carry means carry number. Carry combination or carry number. So which is the carry combination? This one or next one?
8 and
Sir,
3.
this one.
Next one.
No. Yeah, while writing
Next one, sir.
11 here,
Yes, sir.
see the next column.
Okay,
So
sir.
if it is a carry combination, increase 1 here, 12.
Yes, sir, it's a carry combination.
Okay,
So
12.
now,
Then
as we have carried, so we will write the neuro digit of their answer. So the answer will be 121.
end number 1, that's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 4 plus 6 is 10. And while the carry combination, it will be 11.
Okay.
11. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, but the end number is 2.
So no need to set complete number. Only for first combination we'll take complete number. So from the next, after taking 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, some 6, 7, 2, 4, 8, 3. Only for first combination we'll take complete number. From then onwards we'll take only end number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Satvik.
Four plus first 5 plus 6 is 11, sir.
Okay.
So because 4 plus 4 is, we don't have borrow.
We don't have carry. We don't have carry, not borrow. Carry. Borrow term we'll use in subtractions. Carry term we'll use in additions. Okay, because there is no carry combination, that's why we'll write it as it is 11. Okay, if there is any carry combination, we'll write one extra. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. I think Satvik is having problem. Okay, Satvik. Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can take it as 9 plus 9, which would be 18.
No.
Sir, actually, I did it as in balancing rule.
You are using. Okay, we'll use that balancing rule also later. Explain now in this method.
Okay, sir. Then 9 plus 9 would be 8. We can write it there.
Left to right. Left to right.
Okay, sir. Then 3 plus 4 would be 7.
7.
And then we should change it into 8 because we need to carry there.
We need we have a carry combination there. That's right.
Then 9 plus 9 would be 8.
8. Very good. Then F, Srihita.
Yes, sir. 5 plus 2 is 7, and as it is a carry combination, it will be 8. And then 7 plus 6 is 13.
Not 13, 3. End number.
Yes, 3.
Okay. Jashmita.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Can you hear me, sir?
Okay, Satvik.
Sir, actually, I had battery low, so my screen was stuck. I bought, so again.
No issue. I understood that your problem. Okay, Jashmita.
Okay,
sir.
Yes. 7 plus 8 is 15.
Okay.
7 plus 8 is carry combination, so we should add 15 plus 1, which is 16.
Okay.
7 plus 8 and number is 5.
Okay, that's all.
So the answer is 165.
Rishit.
Sir, 6 plus 7 is 6 plus 7 is 13 plus carry borrow 14. 3 plus 4.
Where is carry
Sir, we
combination?
don't need.
Wait. Remaining question.
So we don't need carry as it is only 3 and 4.
Yes, sir. Sir,
There is.
13 and 17.
Yeah, it is not a carry combination. That's why we'll write it as it is. 6 plus 7 is 13.
7.
Then 7. That's all. Okay. We'll do in the next class this one also. This type of questions also. See. Okay.
Yes, actually, at the time of giving names, I was not there.
Okay.
It's much big question, sir.
So, we'll do it in the next class. Okay.
Sir, this much big number?
Yes, sir.
You have to solve this question in 10 seconds. It's a 20 digit and
Next class only, sir. I'll not come to next class. This much big number, 10 seconds, no.
Sir, without
Sir, it
practice,
will
it's
need at
impossible,
least
sir.
1 minute.
Yeah, then do
Yes,
practice.
sir.
You have next class on day after tomorrow. Meanwhile, you practice.
Seven.
Sir,
Can you
I
show
took
the
that numbers screenshot.
Just let me tell you one point. Just to do
Sir,
some,
show the screen. I'll take a screenshot.
wait. I'll upload
1
this
minute.
one in the YouTube channel. There you will get this one. Okay. Meanwhile, do one thing. Take minimum 100, minimum 50 to 100 single digit numbers. Take single digit numbers. Write all their end numbers. Okay. Practice end numbers. That's all. No need to practice complete questions. Just to practice end numbers. All of you.
Sir, that 20-digit number we will do entirely on this concept only.
Yeah, entirely on this concept only. Without even we have not used a balancing rule also for this question.
Sir, can you tell how to find that? Means that combinations of 50
Sir?
numbers, how we can take to find end number?
How we can take end numbers?
Sir?
You know that already.
Sir?
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, is it like we should do the end digit of that till the first two numbers, sir?
Yeah, this is the end number concept.
Yes, sir, I know.
Take two numbers. Take two
Sir,
numbers.
means you took here randomly. So 1 to 50, 50
take
to
any
100,
two
we have to
numbers
take
randomly. Some 8 plus 7, some 5 plus 6, some 7 plus 6. Take in this way. Some 50 questions like this. Write as fast as you can. Write all the end numbers. Only end numbers. 5 plus 6, 1, 8 plus 7, 5, 6 plus 7, 3, like that. Okay.
Sir, we can do it like
Sir,
both the
can you
numbers,
show
how much
the
they exceed
sir,
by
once can
5, and we have to add those numbers.
Sorry?
Sir, we have to see the each number here, how much it exceeds by 5. Like 7 exceeds by 2 and 8 by 3. Then we have to add 2 and 3, we get 5. Like that, no?
No. I already told in the first class only. So for these combinations, you should not do any mathematical approach to add some 4 plus 7. We should not use like to complete 4 how much is required, or to complete 7 how much is required. We should not do in that way. Directly we should tell 4 plus 7 is 11. So 11 end number is 1. That's all.
Sir, if we know this end number concept, we can usually do those big numbers.
Yeah, any type of big numbers, even we'll do in the next class, this type of questions also. See.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
This type of questions also we'll do in the next class, okay?
Sir, this time.
Sir, that was very big.
Sir, that's too big.
We'll do it in the next class, okay? Right, thank you. Bye.
Sir, in the next class, you can take one of that sums as explanation.
In the next
Sir, 1
class,
minute, sir. 1
yeah, in the next class we'll complete additions.
Okay, sir.
Right, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir? Sir?
Yes. Dhatri.
Sir, you show that big number, no, sir. Big number plus big number. Sir, in that all the digits except the first digit in the first row and the second row, we should do the
Take end numbers only.
end number, and the first digit of the both we should add, and how many ever carries are there, those many we need to add, sir.
Sorry, what you told in this number, in these two numbers. Okay, whoever want to leave, they can leave. Okay. I'll stop the recording also. Wait.